Today I'm going to show you how I like to use the Ere Perez Rice Powder Bronzer in the shade Tulum, which comes in the new eco-friendly aluminium refillable compact. Now this bronzer comes with two shades, a lighter shade and a darker shade. The lighter shade is designed to be applied to the high points of the face, whereas the darker shade is designed to be applied to the contours of the face. Alternatively, you can just swirl your bronzing brush through both colours and apply to the skin for a beautiful, gorgeous glow. To apply, I'm going to use the Ere Perez Blush and Bronzer brush, and I'm just going to swirl it through both colours. Again, you can stick to the lighter colour for the high points and the darker shade for the contours, but I just want to create a beautiful all-over golden glow. So once you've got it on your brush, I just like to focus it around the hairline. Again, make sure that you're blending it into the hairline. You don't want a halo effect around. And then I'll also apply some to the cheek area. And then I'll just apply a touch on the nose. So as you can see, the rice powder bronzer has added some warmth to my complexion and created a really beautiful, gorgeous glow. Now don't be too intimidated by the color of the bronzer in the pan. It may look dark to start, but they are buildable. So you can go in with a gentle, soft hand to start and then build it up to increase the intensity. If you have a fairer complexion, you might just want to stick with the lighter shade and then go in with the darker shade for a little soft contour to chisel and define your features. Or if you have a deeper complexion, you might prefer to use the darker shade for an all-over bronzy look and then go in with a lighter shade and use it as a highlighter. And the beauty of the new eco-friendly refillable compact is that once you finish your bronzer, you can simply purchase a refill, pop it in, and you're good to go.